Hey, I noticed a lot of people get stuck in how to deliver their lead magnet once somebody opts in. So I thought I'd record a quick video and explain you the 3 ways on how I use this in System.io. If you're new to my channel, my name is Rianna and I help small business owners just like you to set up simple systems to grow with ease, save time and attract more clients. If this is something you're interested in, hit subscribe and you don't miss out on the next video. So let's go dive in. So the first and the easiest option is the following. Let's say we have this opt-in page. So they sign up for this. And then what happens, they go to the thank you page. And let me show you what it looks like now. You're in, welcome, next steps to do. And here I have now the call to action to follow me on Instagram, but this could be easily a button that redirects to their download. So let me show you how. We go to the thank you page. And we click on this button, and instead of letting it be linked now to Instagram, you can click on download file and you can add the file to it. And then the moment that they click on it, they're gonna have the file opened on their computer. Now, this is one way. I ran in quite a lot of problems when I did this in the beginning because people open it, they close it, the next day they're like, hey, I got that download, where is it? And then they started emailing me or contacting me. I opted in, but I didn't get it. I'm like, yeah, you got it, but you forgot it. So most of the time I don't do this. I have another call to action, so I benefit the thank you page as well. And then I just tell them to go to their email, check their inbox. So how do we do that? Now let me show you. We're going to go to automations, you're going to go to rules or to workflows, whatever you prefer to work with. Then you click on create in the top and we're going to create a trigger. So when the funnel stop form subscribed, so then you click your funnel, you select your event. I cannot open it now, I have too many private things in here. But you do set that up and then you click on action and you do send email. So if you don't have an email yet, you can click on the plus. You can create an email here, and here are the 2 next steps that you can let them download their lead magnet. So the first thing is you can literally click here to download your guide. You select the text, you click on link, and then you can add here the URL. Now, how do you get a URL? By uploading your PDF to a Google Drive, a Dropbox, and then share the file. Make sure when you do share that it can be seen by anyone, and that is not a restricted account, because what's then happening is that you receive emails every time giving access to that document, unless you want to, of course. So you grab the URL, you add it here, and then it's going to be added to the email. Now, the third way is added as an attachment. I sometimes do both, depends on how big my file is, because I think it's 5 MB max that can be attached. So if it doesn't work, I'll just add it here as a link, but you can add it here as an attachment as well. Now, I highly recommend that if you create a URL, make sure that it is as specific as possible so people can easily find it back, because that's another thing I was running into. People opted in, they had the document, was somewhere on the drive, but they couldn't find it back. So I always use the exact terms that they opted in for, also for the name of the document, and that makes it very easy. And then for your own organization as well, of course. If that was helpful, please give a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And watch the next video. So there is so many cool things about System.io that I still want to share with you. And I hope to see you in the next one.